Hello guys, welcome to this new video. I'm going to show you how you can combine text in a column to a single row which is separated by a delimiter. So I'm not wasting any time. Let me go directly into the formula. So first formula is concatenate function, but with a twist. So I'm going to insert the bracket sign. Then it's going to be transpose. And then I'm going to mention the array. The array is nothing but the range of the text that I want to convert to from a column to the row. So just I'm selecting this row. As you can see, it's A1 to A10. And after that, you're going to give the and sign. And sign is normally situated above the number 7. So press shift and 7 and you'll get the and sign. So after the and sign, you're going to give the delimiter that you want. So a delimiter that I want in this case is a comma. And after that, I have to insert the delimiter in double quotations. So here I'll insert the comma, which is by delimiter, but after the comma, I need a space. So I'm going to type the comma, space. Then I'm going to put the double quotation, and then I'm going to put a bracket to close that, and another one for the concatenate function. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this inner transpose function. So I'm going to select the entire transpose function, and after that, the first bracket, the second bracket, this transpose function, and then you have to press the F9 key, function F9 key to press. As you can see, the entire text, the transpose function has worked. Now what you do is that you delete those curly, I don't know if you can see, those are curly brackets. So I'll delete those curly brackets right there. Now after I've deleted that, then what you do is that you have to select the entire thing, select it, and then just press enter. And the columns were converted into a single row with separated by my delimiter of choice, which was a comma, separated by, after that the space was also provided. So I can use this by copying it and just pasting the values here, and that's it. Thank you for watching.